There have been challenges about his work around Covenbeck in Betal in particular, and I think that's where the matter is now. But of course, a proper court will hear the details, and I think will indicate those details. What we have seen in the newspaper is just not truth, and we shall present the truth later on. At an appropriate
What is it
time.
that is not true? There are my apologies to interject.
What is not true is what has been presented, that is not been paid. You know, what is supposed to be paid. All contractors have been paid what was due to them, himself included. So from where we are, there is no money owed to him whatsoever.
Sure.
This matter arose until we terminated the contract for the shoddy work that has been done there. And
When did you terminate the contract?
Well, I might not have the specific date,
Sure.
yeah, but we did terminate the contract. I think the first half, the process was not done properly, and they complained, and we reversed the process. We followed the due process, and eventually we've done it right. And from where we sit, the matter, when it went to court, it was represented through the state, lawyers, which in our view, state lawyers did not went to court. And subsequently, the court to deal the matter in the absence of department.
I see.
Until we found later on. And we take the matter back to the court. And the matter tomorrow it will be rolling. And in due course, we'll get the details and the merits and demerit of the matter will be attended to in court. Hence, we said the matter sub judice. At the appropriate time, we will deal the matter in details. So that even those who are publicizing the information without talking to us, as seen my picture is there, whatever reasons, we will know that time goes on, what's the purpose and what's the objective over and above.
I see. Since I've punted the number, it's been ringing non-stop, but I don't want us to start there.